All right, so today we have a very special ration. This one has never been before reviewed or seen that I know of. This is American Airlines. This is a survival kit from them. We have two different pouches here. This is made by Air Cruisers Company, and this is age limited survival kit module. It has a part number here. This has a production of February 2007. This has expiration of 5 of 2012. And next to it here, we have Air Cruisers Company only basic survival module. This has all kinds of stuff in it. And we have a production here of February 2007. And this is a basic module is one part of a complete survival kit. Discard the module when physically damaged or opened. That's why they go together. I'm not sure if there was anything else that goes with this. Looks like this is fairly complete, but then again, you don't know. Stuff like this you can't look up. It's very difficult to find information on it. We do have a little tag on here from Far Eastern Air Transport. So it wasn't made in Asia, wasn't made in China or Japan. I don't know, it doesn't say anything about that. And this has expiration date of 5/31/2012. Very interesting. I'm ready to get into it and see what this is all about. All right, so let me see here. Got a couple cans behind to keep them propped up. Let's pull this one off to the side just for a minute until we get ready to do it. There is no way to open this without cutting it, which is kind of a shame. So let's go to the back side. This has a sticker on it also from Far Eastern Air Transport. That's some thick plastic, boys. Very thick. So real quick rundown. We have a flared day-nighttime flare flashlight, tablet water purification, pack of 50, inhalant, ammonia, swabs, antiseptic, burn ointment, blister. That's just a white card. We'll take that out of here. It's going to mess up the camera exposure if we do not. There's everything that's in there. So I don't know that, like, what would be the reasoning to have like tons of smelling salts? I mean, like, are people just fainting right and left and you're like, let me get the smelling salts, you just slap them in the face, be the same thing. So let me see here. This is iodine, little vials of iodine. So this is like for cuts, anything like that. And you want to think that would like be a legit way to hold that in there. Essentially like a little piece of cotton gauze stuck in the end of it. You think that would just go all the way through and start leaking everywhere, but it is not. So there's how many in this thing? Let's see if they're all that. Iodine, iodine. No, this one here is... This is like a black liquid, so this must be the smelling salts. No, it's iodine also. It's all iodine. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. What is 12 and 6? 18. I should have said 48. 48. Everybody like, that's not right. You're so stupid. Anyhow, we have a Orion Sky Blazer. Oh man, got to use these here in a little bit.
Ooh.
I know, but be careful with this, huh? How to use these? Let's see before we go ripping it apart. Got some instructions. Press top center down, flare tube will drop. Pull center tube firmly to lock in place. And grasp body tube firmly. Hold above head, pull chain downward to launch. We better mess with that outside. Here we have another one of those right here. And here we have our ammonia inhalants, or smelling salts. I don't even want to open one of these in here, to be honest with you. Respiratory stimulant, ammonia inhalant. 35% alcohol, 15% ammonia. Couldn't imagine. Couldn't imagine. So a couple things here. These are flashlights. You have to cut this stuff open. Now, Philip, always cut toward yourself. That's what the viewers have told me this time and time again. Let's just see here. I got some dirty old railback flashlights. And then what's the situation here? Is there some kind of pull tab that releases the battery? Like what is... What is the deal? I tell you what, you wrap them up like that. If you ever had to use them, especially if you had to unpack these in the dark, be pretty tough, huh? Also, you're not going to have a knife on the plane for cutting that stuff open. So there is that. This has like a little wrist strap for it. Spot flood. This thing unscrew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. I don't think those batteries are going to quite cut it there, boys. Industrial energizers. So I'm guessing they're supposed to work right from the get-go, but the batteries are like way, way, way too nasty. In fact, I'll probably ought not put those all over a nice background. I'll chuck those in the trash can real quick. Right there. Do we have any double A's here? I don't think so. Okay, so triple A's, but that's it. Next up, first aid burn cream. Got some individual little packets of that. Got 4 of them. Water purification. Get a lot of these in MREs and stuff. These are basically iodine tablets. Don't smell like anything at all. Nothing at all. Let's stick these back in here. We'll keep moving along here because we've got a lot of stuff to go through yet. We don't need our Israeli corn there. So let's see here. This thing has a lot of stuff in it. These are rectangular bandages. It's like gauze. Then it has a few safety pins. It shows you there on the front. You can put on your chest, use it as a sports bra, or whatever you want there around your arm, and so forth around your head. There's 3 of these. There's the pouch. It'd be hard to lose this thing. Smells like somebody's swimming pool. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. That. Here we have place lanyard around neck, hold mirror. So it's a reflective mirror. It shows a guy on a life raft in the middle of nowhere. It's like essentially a plastic mirror on a stick. You see Phil up there behind the camera? Opposite angled right. It looks like it's angled right to me, but not to the camera probably. So there's that. We have another knife. A little stainless steel knife. I'm not so sure that putting a really sticky tape around stuff was a real good idea. Don't cut that easy, boys. It's not that easy. I guess you're going to have to chew this off like a damn rat. If you don't have a knife with you in the middle of nowhere. Duratool looks to be totally stainless steel. Camillus, made in New York, USA. Bottle opener, screwdriver. That's it. Only one blade though. Well, I think it's crazy sharp. Crazy sharp. We'll use that to finish the whole video out here since the Gerber cleaver is getting a little bit. This is a Ryan die maker, so this is fluorescent green. Do not use on water until rescue aircraft help has arrived. We probably shouldn't unwrap that. But it's a die, so if you're on a raft, you can bust that open, throw it in the water, and you can see where you're at. Some bandages, adhesive bandages. Nice little packs of 2-inch off-center bandage compress, like little gauze packs. There is 2 packages of the gauze, or the bandages. There's a bigger gauze, a 4-inch and a 2-inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Smaller gauzes, 11, 12. There's 2 of the bigger gauzes. There's a sponge. I guess you can use that to clean your wounds with or do the dishes. I'm not sure which. Oh. How's that come out? It's the whistle. Does it come out? Hard on the ears, isn't it? Meets USCG, U.S. Coast Guard requirements. Next up, emergency life raft repair plug kit. So I guess if you sink your raft, we'll open one of these up. That's like a wing nut. So you gotta feed this line through the hole, I'm guessing. Then this compresses on each side of the life raft. Like that. Put your wing nut on there. And you hog her down. All while you're trying to keep from sinking, I guess. Quickly will be the key word in that. Quickly before she sinks. Next up, we got some really outdated, nasty water. Which I don't think anybody wants to really drink. Ever since the last one was a drink, what was that even in? One of the survival kits. It was horrible. A quick survival kit. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs of water in there. Interesting. U.S. Coast Guard number. So it's Coast Guard water, flares, this and that. That's really going to be it, guys. Very interesting ration. We got some of the knife for the open MREs. A whole bunch of stuff. I see Philip zooming out, but it's probably so much crap I can't even zoom out far enough. All of it right there. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. It's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you Friday with another video. Okay, we're going to do the flare real quick. This is press top center down, flare tube will drop. Pull center tube down firmly to lock in place. Use screw cap and grass tube body firmly. Hold above head and pull chain down. There's a chain, put that in my pocket. Are you ready? All right, first one was the dud. We're gonna gingerly that, point it away from me. Got the second one here. These might just be too old. Hey. Win some, you lose some. We'll try on the next one. Next time we get flares, we'll be sure to let them off for you guys. All right, guys. We'll see y'all later.